everybody, what is going on, and welcome back, Terra Luna Classic holders. So how do we like the merge? We gotta tell you, nothing really happened. The price just stayed consolidated sideways trading for most of the altcoins, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Terra Luna Classic up until now. That is why I'm making this video, everybody, because I think LUNC holders will have to be aware of what's gonna probably come. There's a possibility of what is coming is bearish, as you're seeing right now on the screen. The prices of everything, they're coming down, and finally we're seeing Terra Luna Classic pegged to Bitcoin in terms of, well, the Bitcoin is coming down, also LUNC is coming down. Kind of weird situation, since previously, as stated in my previous video, we have an inverse relationship, but things can change right now. Here's the deal. The last, 8 hours or so of the merge, nothing really happened for the prices of Ethereum and Bitcoin. But what we're seeing right now, bearish. And from the time that I was making my last video, we had a 15% closing to this support. Now, everybody, behold, 6% closing to the 302. What does that mean? Well, that is what I want to talk to you by the end of this video. Knowing the good news for LUNC, I believe we have a nice AMA coming in with Binance. You know, the community is not dead. That is one thing you have to know. If you are a holder of LUNC, if you're buying LUNC right now, if you are very passionate about this project, that's great, because proof of community consensus is really relatively new, in my opinion. I think it doesn't have that long compared to proof of work, right, or proof of stake, but it is driven by the community. So if the community is alive and responsible and has developers that are legit and honest, I think there's a good future ahead. But we have to understand that whatever consensus you belong to, trading, manipulation, whales are going to cash out, sell, buy. It's all up in the hands of the public market. That is what we have. So let's go ahead and get started. Don't forget to smash the like button, everybody. Consider subscribing to the channel and turn on those notification bells. I believe this is important information for all of us, so you have to understand. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. To start with a funny story, I had an alarm to wake up for the merge to make a live. I was dead, everybody. I couldn't wake up. I woke up 2 hours after, and I checked the prices. I didn't see anything, of really changing. And I'm like, I'm gonna go back to bed. So I tried, but of course I was really tired. It is what it is, right? But we can realize all the exchanges online on Twitter saying, we confirm the merge is live, the merge. So finally, in our generation, Ethereum has changed from proof of work to proof of stake. And well, that is awesome. Congrats to that. Congrats to that. And now we'll see what are the ramifications of that, right? We're going to still pay huge gas fees depending on demand, but I think this is going to be better for the environment. That's what a lot of people and institutions want. Now, moving on with LUNC. What are we seeing right now? Well, as I'm recording this video, finally, we're starting to see the collapse a little bit, corrections a little bit, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and even a little bit of Terra Luna. What I've said in my previous video is that if it doesn't happen at the moment in time of the merge, we'll have to wait a couple hours or a couple of days. It's there. So I was right on that. I'm pretty happy. One of the things we're seeing is, well, the bearish momentum is capturing the market right now. I'm going to go ahead and change from the 1 hour to the 4 hours here for LUNC. And this is what we see. I'm going to clear everything so it's a little bit better to see it and analyze it. Here it is. You tell me what you guys believe. But look, I'm here to tell you one thing. I am not one of those moon boys that want to see $1 right now. I mean, that would be amazing, and we wouldn't have to work any day, right? And I love that, for reals. But realistically speaking, right, if you're looking in a short-term LUNC or a trading pattern or something like that, this is what we have to be concerned, right? Because there's many different cryptocurrencies that we hold that are long-term, and we don't talk about them too much. We don't really look at them daily, but we know they're there, and eventually we hope that they're going to be much valuable later on. And it seems that LUNC is heading that way, period. I'm telling you straight to your face, critical information. This pattern, it seems that it's going to reset. That's what I believe, right? Important, and beware, everybody, because if some people are hoping for a massive comeback to 305, which is the best case scenario, all the news are out there. Like, I haven't heard of anything major. I mean, Binance is about to hopefully start doing the burn off and on chain, right? That's what everybody's waiting. I want to show you this one right here, right? I mean, KuCoin, Gate.io, Hobby Global, Kraken. I mean, there's people approving like, hey, okay, well, let's go ahead and support this 1.2 tax burn, right? But Binance, what's going on, Binance? And like I've been saying right now, you can break a project, but you cannot break the community. Some people have zero fear. Some people are really excited. Some people are legit invested in LUNC, right? I'm gonna go back to the price. So I'm happy for that. I mean, chill, come on. Like, this is gonna be a community token / meme coin / blockchain, which it is. That is gonna be important, and people are gonna be developing inside LUNC, and that's gonna be amazing. I wish them the best. Just for short-term purposes, everybody, I think we are looking closer to the 302 or 303. I'm gonna now go ahead and put the prices right here on the screen. So this is what we're looking right now. But Oscar, are you really serious? We're gonna go on add a 401 or sorry 409? Probably, guys. Like, there's a chance, right? We've seen this before with the other different cryptos, and they come down hard, same as they go up. And right now, from the time LUNC exploded on September 8, today is September 15, so it's been about 7 days. 56% from that price has been deleted, and we're not looking any sharper with this price channel that I have right here. This information, everybody, I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in now. This information, you don't find it relatively available here on YouTube, sadly, because of course it's not like I want to be pessimistic, but it is the reality. Things can change, yes they can, but an AMA with Binance, an AMA with KuCoin is not gonna cut it. It's not gonna cut it. It is what it is. That's the reality, right? What's gonna cut it is whales coming in, buying when nobody expects, pumping, and then obviously them liquidating when they want. It's not about predicting what the whales are gonna do. It's about following them and then cashing out with them. 9 out of 10 times that is what's gonna work a lot, right? And when sellers come in, as they're coming in right now, there's not much that the community can do because it all adds. Like, we don't have to produce any type of videos so the FUD increases, because the FUD is positively correlated to the price, period, right? If I start telling it's gonna go $1 and $1 tomorrow and $1 the end of September and $1 the end of 2022, it's not gonna cut it, because people see through that, I'm not gonna say the word, but people see through that, and there's nothing that we can do about it. It's good, right? That people are smart enough to realize that is the way of the master. So LUNC, everybody, important information is we're getting bearish. Definitely right now, the merge, it was the event that the community was waiting for years, and now it's finally happened. I know LUNC and Ethereum have nothing to do, I know that, but when it comes to whales, trading patterns, and buying and sells, it does. And right now, Ethereum and Bitcoin, they're heading down. Therefore, LUNC should have been heading up. It's not doing it. If it does, we're looking at 303 as the next, 303 and above, and as the next resistance. But we could be sideways trading for a while. We'll see what happens. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. Don't forget to smash your like button. And there you go. My thoughts about what's happening. Hope you guys liked it. Peace.